Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Block's helicopter. First, gather your essential blocks, including a main body, rotor pieces, and landing gear. Begin by constructing a sturdy base, often a 4x8 stud plate, to ensure stability. Then, attach a central column, about 6 bricks high, which will support the main rotor assembly. This initial structure forms the crucial foundation for your helicopter. Next, let's focus on the main rotor. Assemble the main rotor shaft using a long axle and a connector piece. Attach 2 or more rotor blades to this shaft, making sure they are evenly spaced for balance. A common setup uses 2 blades, each about 8 studs long. Secure this entire rotor assembly to the central column using a rotating joint, allowing for realistic movement. Now for the tail rotor and some finishing touches. Construct a tail boom extending about 12 studs from the main body. Build a small tail rotor, typically with 2 blades, each 4 studs long, and attach it securely to the end of the boom. Finally, add details like a cockpit with a clear window, side windows, and sturdy landing skids to complete your Block helicopter's realistic appearance. To complete your helicopter, double-check all connections to ensure every part is firmly attached and secure. Test both the main and tail rotors to confirm they rotate smoothly without obstruction. Once everything is in place, your meticulously crafted Block helicopter is ready for countless hours of imaginative play and aerial adventures. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.